Mr. Steve Liu is director Everfine. So we find a very curious kind of equipments here. So we will know from Mr. Liu what are they exactly. So sir, can you tell us about your products you have here?
Okay, so yeah, before I start to introduce about my product, please allow me, please give me 1 or 2 minutes to introduce my company.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, so we are one of the leading company in China, and we are based in Hangzhou. So we are one of the, I would say #1 in China who is making all the optical test instruments. Like like what you can see here. This is the integrating sphere.
Okay.
That you can measure actually the light output of the LEDs. Okay, not only LEDs but also CFL and halogen and conventional lightings.
Okay.
So this will be integrated with a spectrometer and also the whole system that can measure the light output, the spectra, and also as well as the color for the lamp.
Okay.
Okay.
So can we go closer and know?
Yeah.
About
yeah. Why not? Yeah. You can open it. So if you can see here, we are actually aging a lamp before the measurement. You can see the wall is painted white. It's actually 97% of the reflectance, and this is exactly in accordance with CIE standards. So we actually follow strictly the CIE recommendation for LED measurement, and also you can see here there are also wafer and also the fixture to hold the lamp for the measurement, and the sphere is actually connected to you can see here, this is the whole system for the light source, for the power supply, that you have a DC and also the AC and the power meter that is to light on the LEDs. Okay. And you can see this is the important part of the system, the test system, which is the spectral radiometer. Okay, this is actually to measure the spectral distribution of the lamp, of the lights, and then you can, from the spectral distribution, you can actually calculate all the optical parameter like the flux, color rendering, CCT, color points, U prime, V prime. Yeah.
So what kind of client do you have here in India for these kind of products?
What kind of
Means who are your clients here?
Okay, so we have actually worldwide, test solution provider. So our main customer that includes Philips, Osram, and also Cree, Lumilus, all the leading, even the National Institute of Meteorology in China and other places. Okay, as long as you name it, in all 7 continents, they are our customer. So so we provide all the solutions worldwide, not only India, but in India we also sell our parts to in Bangalore and also in Delhi and Mumbai. Yeah.
So what is the cost of this unit?
This one, it depends on the size of the sphere. Okay, if you talk about this system, okay, this entire system is about I would say it's $15,000 US. Okay, but it depends on the system that you want to integrate, the power supply and also the spectrometer, which type of the spectrometer that you want, and also the sphere, the bigger sphere and the smaller sphere. And as you can see here, this is the smaller sphere. Okay.
How much time does it take to test this thing product?
Okay, so to test the LED, normally you need to stabilize the light outputs. So there is a standard in LM79. There is a standard requirement. Okay, you must actually stabilize the light outputs before you start to measure. So normally it will take about half an hour to 1 hour to an hour to measure it. So the more the consuming time is on the stabilization part. Okay, in order to measure it, it is very quick, and it just take about less than 1 minute.
And what is the after-sales service that you have here in India?
Yeah, of course we have several sales representatives. Okay, and they are just permanently meant for Indian markets. Okay, so they are here in today's booth, and then they provide all the sales. Okay, we are not that people that only sales and then run away. So we provide sales, the service after the sales.
Thank you very much. Can we know about that product as well, sir?
Yeah, of course. Why not? You can move closer. Yeah. Okay, so this is all one of our famous product. Okay, we got patent, many patents.
What is the name of the product?
Okay, this is a gonio photometer. Okay, GOR 5000. Okay, this is one of our famous product, and we got patent from not only from China but also Germany, USA. So it's a very famous product. And what this equipment is doing is actually it measure the light intensity distribution of the LED. Okay.
Light intensity distribution.
Yes. So you can, if you want to measure the spatial distribution and also the beam angle, you have to use this equipment. As you can see, this is holding the lamp, the luminance. So base up, and then you can see from here there are several detectors. Okay, here these two detectors is meant for the near field measurement. Okay, and the longer one is for the far field measurement. Okay, and you can see there is a mirror. Okay, there is a mirror which is rotating. Okay, and then there are two rotation axes. One is the vertical. Okay, this could be rotated as well. Okay, and this also could be rotated. So the far field, basically you need another mirror, which will be placed here about 50 meters away. And then the light will be reflected to the mirror, and then go to that mirror, the second mirror, and then coming back to the detector. Okay, so every angle it will do the measurement, and from there you can actually plot the intensity distribution of the light. And this is an important measurement parameter. As stated in the LM79, if you need this LM79 requirement, you need the sphere and also you need the gonio photometer for the measurement.
So it is required in each case of the LED lighting, or it is required selectively?
So for LED, because as we know that the LED, you can actually modify the intensity distribution by using the light bulb and also the curve and everything. So this is becoming more and more important, this parameter. Okay, because if you want to have a very directional light, then the beam angle is very narrow. It's a narrow angle. And if you have a glow lamp like what you use in the shop and the general lighting, it will be a very wide angle. So how can you tell? How can you measure it? It is from this instrument. Okay, you can actually measure the beam angle and the light intensity distribution of the lamp.
So do you find somebody who has inquired for the sake of buying these products?
Yeah, we request many demands from not only India. India is boosting actually, but also worldwide. Okay, we are actually, last week I was in China for the exhibition as well, and we request many actually orders. Yeah, from this is becoming more and more important, as we want to actually guarantee the quality of the lighting and also the design of the luminance. This is very important. You need to know how is the light intensity distribution of the luminance, as well as the LED and the lamps, before you can put it into the shielding for the usage.
So back to the market, how do you assess Indian market, Indian LED market?
Oh, Indian is actually boosting. Okay, we see there are a lot of the demands, and actually the supplier and also the LED manufacturer is actually booming. Okay, we see there are a lot from the manufacturer, equipment manufacturing sites. We receive a lot of require and inquiries. Actually, last week I was in Kolkata. Okay, we attended the ISLE, there are a seminar and also the conference there, and there are a huge amount of people. Okay, the professors and also the experts, and I am also participate in that conference and presenting a paper. There are a lot of the demand and also the request from the university and also the lighting company on the measurement. So yeah, we see there are a bright future in the LED, especially in India. Yeah.
Anything else you would like to tell about your organizers, Messe Frankfurt?
Okay, so it's very good. Yeah, I can see that this is a very good exhibition, and we feel very comfortable. And we would like to thank the organizer for organizing this, and also for inviting Everfine. And yeah, we should work together for the better future. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.